Hi everyone, I will show you in this tutorial how we can mirror a component or a branch or a pipe, structure member, mechanical equipment in Aveva E3D. So here I am showing you here one branch which we are going to mirror. So first you have to select the component or branch or pipe which you want to mirror. So I have this branch and I want to mirror on downside. Select the branch, go to home and click on copy mirror, and here you have to click on CE, current element you have, and here you have to do the option. We have two options, one is copy and other one is mirror only. If we will select copy mirror, then this branch will be come down and it will be remain here and one copy will come here. If mirror only, then this branch will move towards downside. So I select copy mirror here, then you have to click on cursor, and here you have to select the component in which direction you want to mirror. So I will select element and I will select this nozzle, and you can see that the arrow direction is towards south side. I don't want to mirror south side, I want to mirror downside. So here you have to click type here D, then enter. Now you can see that the plane has changed towards downside direction, and I want to mirror also downside direction. Now I will apply and I will retain the copy. So in this way we mirror the branches. So here simply you have to rename this one, type QName, and make this one branch 3, or you right click here, rename, you give any name as per your pipe. So now this is the copy mirror, and now we will use the option mirror only. So I will undo this one. Here again I will select this one, this branch. Again click on current element here, and here now I will select a mirror only. Click on cursor and select this element, and because it is showing south, we want downside. Type D, press enter. You can see that plane had changed downward direction. Now apply, and now you can see that only the branch move, branch didn't copy. So these are the two options in Aveva E3D in which we want to do the mirror. So now I will show you example here of the nozzle, how we can mirror the nozzle here. Now I want to mirror this nozzle. We have to double click on the nozzle here. Now nozzle is selected here. I want to mirror this side. The same way, we click on home and then mirror, copy mirror here, and you have to click CE, current element, then only it will mirror. And here I will use a mirror copy here, And now I will select the cursor. Now I will select the element here of this cylinder. You can see that it is showing a west direction, but I want this one to north direction. So I will type here north, enter, and I will apply here. Retain copy, yes. You can see that we mirror, and similarly I will mirror the downside nozzle here. Again click on current element here. Now no need to change the mirror plan view, only simply apply, and yes. Now we will cancel, escape. So we mirror the nozzle. Again, if you want to mirror this pipe towards this direction here, so here now we will select a pipe. Now I select a pipe here, click on copy mirror, and click here current element, and I will use a mirror copy. I will select here cursor, and no need to change the element because we already mirror, but we will select here element, and I will select this one, and make sure that you have to follow the arrow direction. The arrow is up, so we want to north side. Type north here and apply, and apply. You can see that we mirror the whole pipe into the north direction. And now we will mirror again a branch. Click CE, and mirror copy element. So this is my midpoint here. I will select this one. My direction is now upward direction here, and apply. Retain, yes. So we mirror the branch. Same way we will do here. Current element, so we will not change the plane, simply we apply here, yes. So in this way you can do the mirror. It is a mechanical component or electrical or structure member. You can do anything, the step which I show you here. Thanks for watching.